Hello, design aficionados. Welcome back to Home Decor, your portal to all things stylish and modern. Today, we're going to unlock the world of modern doors, a fusion of form and function that adds a touch of contemporary flair to your living spaces. But before we swing those doors wide open, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's step into the world of modern living. Our first modern door design is all about sleek simplicity and minimalism. Step into the future with a minimalist door that features clean lines, subtle textures, and perhaps a dash of metal accents. It's a perfect choice for those who appreciate understated elegance. For those who want their doors to make a bold statement, our next design brings drama to your entryway. Elevate your curb appeal with a door that commands attention. Think bold colors, unique shapes, and perhaps some eye-catching hardware. It's the perfect way to set the tone for your home. If you're a nature lover, our third door design brings the beauty of the outdoors inside. Embrace the warmth of nature with doors that feature natural wood finishes, organic textures, and perhaps even some intricate woodwork. It's like inviting a piece of the forest into your home. For those who crave transparency and a sense of openness, our next design trend revolves around glass elements. Create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces with doors that incorporate glass panels. It not only allows natural light to flood in, but also adds a modern, airy feel to your home. In the age of technology, our final door design combines style with security and smart features. Upgrade your entry with smart doors that come equipped with features like keyless entry, video surveillance, and remote control access. It's not just a door, it's a guardian of modern living. And there you have it, a peek into the world of modern door designs that redefine your entryways and interior spaces. Which door design resonated with your style? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more contemporary design inspiration. Until next time, may your doors be as modern as your dreams.